part 4 of Melvin Playground movies, because that one part has been cut because of a call, because I made another one, so one part is I make it a full episode. I don't know how to mix videos. Freeze. Does he still know to what? Please what? Please tell me she can walk. Okay. Well, it looks like a silver dance. Oh, it looks like a silver dance, right? And it looks sway. Don't hit the phone. Oh my god, think of quack. Whoa. She just blinked. Okay, you see that, guys? That was epic. There's Sims come here. I think my panties are short. I think people. Oh my god, so much views are coming. Okay, now, can you wait? Can you pause it? Okay. Go. This is the fig. What's that one? This is the fig beam that is explode. Yeah, that's him. That is the beam he explodes. That's called. I told him to call me the fig. I can't speak. I speak with him and he never. How do you find out? Do not do anything like that. Huh? Okay. Okay. Now, what you do? Okay. Okay, why is this thing? So, okay, a lot of hands appeared. Are you by your okay, so King Orange, let's go. Oh my god. Bum 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 bum. Oh! Wait. Please no one burn again. Please no one burn again. Please no one burn again. The chosen. Wait, who put this? I didn't put this. I didn't put One Piece. I didn't put this mod. This hood how gets it? Which mod does this even get? Someone gave me this mod that I need to delete it and wash. Seek. Okay, let's go to the funny parts. I'm just gonna go. Oh! Whoa! Wow! Ow! Oh! A sad moment. Are you serious? Now I need to respawn some more. Okay, that's enough. Natural 5-2 is coming soon. Now.